Good morning everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is World Investment Report 2023. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development published its World Investment Report 2023. Now let's discuss what is the World Investment Report. The World Investment Report focuses on trends in foreign direct investment worldwide at the regional and country levels. It also has emerging measures to improve its contribution to development. It provides an analysis of global value chains and the operations of multinational enterprises with special attention to their development impact. Overviews of the report are available in all official UN languages. Now let's discuss about FDI in developing countries in Asia. It shows that FDI inflows to developing countries in Asia remained stagnant at $662 billion. China, including Hong Kong, Singapore, India, and the United Arab Emirates, were the primary recipients of incoming foreign direct investment in Asia, accounting for about 80% of inflows. India and ASEAN experienced significant growth in FDI, with increases of 10% and 5% respectively. China, the second largest host country for FDI globally, saw a 5% increase. FDI in the Gulf region declined, but the number of project announcements increased by 2/3. Smaller developing countries faced stagnant FDI inflows, and the least developed countries experienced a decline in FDI. Now moving on to global FDI. Developing countries attracted higher levels of FDI compared to developed economies. Global FDI experienced a 12% decline to $1.3 trillion in 2022, following a strong recovery in 2021 after the initial impact of the coronavirus pandemic. Developed countries have seen significant investment growth in renewable energy. The investment gap across all sectors of the Sustainable Development Goals has widened, reaching over $4 trillion per year, up from $2.5 trillion in 2015. The sectors with the largest gaps in investment are energy, water, and transport infrastructure. Now let's discuss about United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. It is a permanent intergovernmental body established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1964 with headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. It is responsible for dealing with development issues, particularly international trade. The conference ordinarily meets once in 4 years. The second UNCTAD conference took place in New Delhi, India in 1968. Members 195 countries, and reports published by the UNCTAD are Trade and Development Report, the Least Developed Countries Report, and Commodities and Development Report, etc. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the World Investment Report 2023. 1. The World Investment Report focuses on trends in foreign direct investment worldwide at the regional and country levels. 2. India and ASEAN were the most buoyant recipients of foreign direct investment, with increases of 10 and 5% respectively. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.